Welcome! Today we're diving into something fun and creative, unboxing your Oasis Foraged design kit and turning it into a stunning centerpiece. I'm here to share a few quick tips and get your project kicked off with a step-by-step guide on how to create a beautiful arrangement using just the kit contents. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, this is going to be easy, enjoyable, and totally Instagram worthy. Let's get started. To use the Oasis Foraged design kit, begin by cutting 1/3 of the foam brick using a butter knife. Save the remaining 2/3 of the forage foam for future designs. Trim it further if needed so it fits easily into the provided container. Next, fill a soaking vessel with water, adding in one of the Oasis Foraged flower fuel sachets. Make sure to follow the instructions on the back of the included sachet to get your ratios correct. Add in the fuel and stir until the powder is fully dissolved. Set the foam gently into the water. Don't push it down and let it float until it's fully saturated. This will take about a minute or two, and this is called the float soak method. And it is used by floral professionals, so congratulations, you're a professional now. Next, place the foam into your design container and fill it with the water until it's about 3/4 full. It is best to continually top off the water in your arrangement as you enjoy it, as the stems will be drinking up water from the floral foam. We'll be using a combination of foraged and store-bought stems in this arrangement today. First, begin with your foliage. This is the foundation of your design. Remove any bottom leaves that would sit in the foam, because leaves in water or foam can cause bacteria and shorten the life of your flowers. Give each stem a fresh angled cut before inserting it. This helps the water absorption and keeps everything looking fresher longer. Use your greenery to cover the foam and add texture, but leave space for your blooms. Think of this as creating a frame for your flowers. Here's your pro tip. Work in a loose, natural pattern. Avoid making it too symmetrical for an organic, foraged look. Once you have a good structure of foliage, it's time for your focal flowers. Roses and hydrangeas in this case. Make sure each stem is long enough to reach at least 2 inches into the foam for proper hydration. You can always trim them shorter if needed, but you can't make them longer once cut. Place your focal blooms slightly off center for a natural look. And here's a quick tip. Group roses in odd numbers, 3 or 5 for a visual balance. Using locally foraged botanicals is a wonderful way to connect with nature and bring unique seasonal elements into your creations. Foraging encourages sustainability and adds a personal story to your work. If you don't have access to outdoor foraging, no worries. Your local grocery store or florist can be just as inspiring. The goal is to source thoughtfully and creatively, wherever you are. Next, add any linear elements. These give your arrangement height and shape. Think tall stems or branches that draw the eye upward and add movement. Insert them at varying angles for a dynamic look. Don't be afraid to let stems extend beyond the main shape. It adds drama and elegance. Now bring in your smaller or filler flowers. If you're using branching stems, cut them strategically to maximize their use. Place them at different heights to create a depth and visual interest. Cluster tiny blooms near the base for fullness. Use filler flowers to soften transitions between focal blooms and greenery, and keep your color distribution balanced. Don't let one side feel heavier than the other. Finally, review your design. Use extra foliage to cover any exposed foam or areas that might need more depth. Step back and check from all angles. This is your chance to kind of tweak and perfect what you've made. And there you have it, a gorgeous arrangement ready to enjoy. Happy foraging!